Oh yeah, free time. Free time is precious when you're a truck driver. That's a word that I just took for granted before I started driving trucks. It's like as soon as you start driving, you're always going, rolling, rolling. So every chance I get, I like to kick back and just enjoy. I guess that's why I have so many skills and hobbies that I like to into. Um, so for those of you thinking about driving, just remember, you'll make great money, but you'll be gone a lot. Some cases you won't get much rest. Some cases when the log says 10 hours of rest, you may be functioning off about 4 or 2 hours of rest. So that's just the real part of trucking. That's the part of trucking that you don't really hear about too much. You mostly hear about the outstanding pay. But once again, be prepared to be gone a lot, constantly, missing a lot of events, missing a lot of activities if you have kids. Um, so it's a it's a sacrifice. And today I actually took the day off to get a little time to myself, and that's been awesome. It's been great. So once again, for those new drivers, be sure that's what you want to do. But the money's awesome. Stay tuned for more.